Maintaining oxygen flow rate at maximum.
This contour line is exactly where the bridge structure begins.
All right, let's mark it and check the coordinates again.
The thermal stability here is lower than projected.
We need to adjust the bridge foundation design accordingly.
Keep it steady, watch the pressure gauge. Almost there, monitoring the depth now.
Massive concrete piers are being cast on thermal-stabilized permafrost, using special low-heat concrete mixes to prevent ground thaw.
Hold position, crane operator. We are slightly misaligned on the east side.
Roger that, adjusting slowly.
Okay, bring it down 5 centimeters. We are clear.
Check the pressure on the forward jacks. We are hitting hard rock. Copy that.
Maintaining oxygen flow rate at maximum. Guide the segment into position. Applying torque now. Watch the pressure.
Lower it slowly, watch the connection point. Almost there, keep it steady.
Please keep the oxygen cannula on until you are inside the pressurized train car. Your saturation is stable.
Automated train control systems, including GPS-based tracking and automatic speed control, are vital for safety on these high-altitude grades.
To minimize ecological impact across the plateau, extensive measures like these wildlife tunnels and
Check the flow rate on outlet 25.
Reading stable, engineer. Cabin pressure holding steady.
The turbochargers are compensating well for the elevation.
Check the cooling systems. Ensure they handle the load.
Monitor the temperature spike near the Tanggula tunnel carefully.
Acknowledged. Adjusting train speeds accordingly.
The audio captures the lively atmosphere inside a moving train carriage. There is a continuous...
Look, there it is, the Potala Palace.
It's incredible. I can't believe we're finally on our way. Your oxygen saturation is good, 92%. Everything looks stable as we cross the pass.
We must be near the Tanggula Pass now.
It's breathtaking up here.
Look, we are here, the Tanggula Station.
It is truly magnificent. The air is thin, but the view is breathtaking.
We made it! 5,068 meters! Quick, take a picture before we get dizzy.
We are at 5,068 meters!
This is amazing. Let's take another one.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have reached the Tanggula Pass summit, the highest railway point in the world at 5,231 meters.
We did it! 5,231 meters. Cheers, everyone!
We are now entering the Kunlun Tunnel at 448 meters elevation. A true The Tuotu River Bridge, 1,389 meters long at 4,547 meters.
Sounds of a busy dining car on a moving train, including the river.
Check the oxygen lines on car 7. Confirmed. Pressure stable.
Good morning. Would you like some tea with your breakfast?
Yes, thank you very much.
We are now approaching The final destination.
Show them the picture from the Tanggula Pass again.
Right here, the highest railway in the world.
Truly an incredible engineering feat, and the landscape.
At 5,231 meters, the Tanggula Pass is the world's highest railway point.
Look how fast we are moving through the mountains. It used to take days.
Now our families can visit us.
Studies showing permafrost remaining stable beneath railway after 5+ years operations.
Look at the data coming from the probe. The active layer is deepening much faster than projected. This section of the line is becoming highly unstable.
The reading on sensor 4 is unstable. Check the connection again.
The thermal coupling looks good from here. The signal might be affected by the train.
The elevated bridges were crucial for managing the permafrost thaw, setting a global standard.
The thermal stability.
The ongoing expense of maintaining the railway in extreme conditions raises questions of economic sustainability and operational complexity.
Vitals are dropping, sats are low. Start high flow oxygen immediately.
This railway truly connects us to the world. It is a miracle of engineering.
The views are absolutely breathtaking. It makes you feel truly alive.
Bridge design is essential to maintain the permafrost stability. As you can see, the thermosiphons absorb the heat.
At over 5,000 meters, the Tanggula Pass is the centerpiece of this monumental engineering achievement.
The railway has brought so much opportunity for our people, but we must also protect our traditions.
The projected economic returns justify the $30 billion investment over the long term. But what about the maintenance costs for the permafrost bridges?
The data clearly shows the effectiveness of the ventilation ducts.
The temperature stability here is remarkable.
The thermosiphons are critical for stabilizing the permafrost here.
This data confirms the heat exchange efficiency we need for the new project.
Our decade review highlights the success of the permafrost bridges. The key operational insight is the effectiveness of the
We celebrate the unwavering dedication of these remarkable individuals. Their commitment built and maintained the
The evolution continues. With these next-generation trains, we navigate the world's highest railways.
The impact on the permafrost is undeniable. But the thermosiphons are mitigating the thaw. We have the data.
Is that sustainable? Is that...
This incredible feat of engineering across the Tanggula Mountain Pass.
This remarkable engineering achievement across the Qinghai-Tibet Plateau has drawn international attention.
At 5,231 meters, this is the highest railway in the world.
This ongoing maintenance commitment ensures the sustainable. Check the tension on this bolt carefully. The permafrost shifts, so adjustments here are critical for safety. Our 20-year vision targets full magnetic levitation across the corridor.
The permafrost bridges at Tanggula are the primary.
Look at that, it's absolutely breathtaking.
I've never seen mountains like this. The air feels so clear.
The Qinghai-Tibet Railway, an engineering marvel crossing the roof of the world.